Car Vibes brings you something truly special today, a timeless piece of American craftsmanship, the 1936 Chevrolet Street Rod pickup. This isn't just a classic truck, it's a custom-built legend that bridges the gap between vintage styling and hot rod performance. Let's take a closer look at this beauty from the outside in and under the hood. The exterior of the 1936 Chevrolet Street Rod pickup is pure vintage class mixed with aggressive street rod attitude. Dressed in a flawless Galaxy gray finish, this truck immediately stands out with its sleek, smooth body lines and those signature sweeping fenders that define the era. The custom chrome grille up front retains its old-school charm while giving off a fresh, polished look. The round headlights are carefully restored, and the hood design is clean and classic, sitting perfectly above the lowered stance. The wheels are fully customized, polished alloys wrapped in modern performance tires, giving this street rod a muscular yet elegant look. It still carries the soul of the original 1936 model, but every detail has been enhanced to bring it into the modern era without sacrificing its identity. Step inside and you're met with a cabin that blends old-school design with modern comfort and precision. The dashboard keeps that vintage flair with a fully restored metal dash, complete with analog gauges surrounded by chrome bezels. The steering wheel is a custom billet piece that feels solid in hand. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, offering support and comfort while maintaining a retro appearance. There's even a custom sound system integrated discreetly to keep the look clean but functional. Every stitch, every switch, and every panel feels intentional, not overdone, just right. It's a perfect balance of nostalgia and comfort, and once you're in, you feel like you're part of automotive history. Under the hood, this beast hides a modern surprise, a high-performance V8 engine that roars with authority. It's been swapped and upgraded to deliver modern muscle car power while maintaining reliability. Most of these builds use small-block Chevy V8s, and this one's no exception. With upgraded internals, chrome valve covers, a high-performance intake, and a tuned carb or fuel injection system, it delivers a thrilling ride every time you press the throttle. The transmission is typically a 4-speed or 5-speed automatic or manual, offering smooth shifts and solid control. The suspension has also been overhauled with modern coilovers or independent setups for better handling, braking, and overall street performance. Driving this pickup isn't just a cruise, it's an experience. As for the price, these classic street rod pickups aren't easy to come by and certainly don't come cheap. A high-end build like this, with attention to detail and a professional restoration job, typically costs anywhere between $70,000 to $120,000, depending on the engine specs, custom work, and overall finish. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a collectible investment, a showstopper at every car meet, and a rolling tribute to American automotive culture. That wraps up our look at the 1936 Chevrolet Street Rod pickup. This is more than just a pickup truck. It's a timeless machine brought back to life with a modern heartbeat. If you're into hot rods, vintage trucks, or just love seeing classic American power brought back to the streets, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Vibes for more exclusive reviews and rare automotive icons.